In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to MetaMask. First, open your MetaMask wallet and make sure you know which network you want to receive your USDT on. USDT can exist on different networks such as Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon Arbitrum Optimism, or Avalanche. The network you choose on Binance must match the network you use in MetaMask. For this example, let's use BNB Smart Chain because it is commonly supported and usually has lower fees than Ethereum. Open MetaMask, click the network selector at the top, and switch to BNB Smart Chain. If you do not see it, add it from MetaMask's network list first. Once you are on the correct network, copy your MetaMask wallet address. You can do this by clicking the address at the top of the wallet. MetaMask EVM addresses usually start with 0x, and the same address can work across many EVM-compatible networks. Now open Binance and go to your Wallet section. Choose Spot Wallet, find USDT, and select Withdraw. Binance may ask whether you want to withdraw crypto or cash. Choose the crypto withdrawal option. Paste your MetaMask wallet address into the address field, then choose the correct network. This is the most important step. If you are receiving on BNB Smart Chain in MetaMask, select BNB Smart Chain, sometimes shown as BSC or BEP20 on Binance. Do not choose Ethereum, Tron, or another network unless you are sure MetaMask is set up to receive USDT on that network. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Binance will show the withdrawal fee and the final amount you should receive. Review everything carefully: the wallet address, the selected network, the token, and the amount. Before sending a large amount, it is a good idea to send a small test transfer first. This helps confirm that the network and wallet address are correct. When you are ready, confirm the withdrawal. Binance may ask for security verification such as email confirmation, phone verification, authenticator code, or passkey approval. Complete the required steps. After the withdrawal is submitted, wait for the transaction to process. It may take a few minutes depending on the network. Once completed, open MetaMask and make sure you are still on the same network you selected on Binance. If the USDT balance does not appear automatically, click Import Tokens in MetaMask and search for USDT on that network. If needed, you can also import USDT manually using the official token contract address for that specific network. That's how to transfer USDT from Binance to MetaMask safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.